Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Gatto. Today we are going to be working on counting to 10 and recognizing our numbers 1 to 10, and then counting objects to see how many there are. So let's go ahead. You guys count with me. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. You guys are awesome counters. All right, let's see if you guys know this number. Say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. You guys recognized your numbers. Now, today I want to introduce you to this uh, frame right here. It's called the 10 frame because there are 10 spots on it. In your folder that you guys picked up in your bag from school when you guys picked up your computers, inside your bag was one of these 10 frames. Yours has a little sticker on it. And inside your bag, you had some either blue or red squares. I want you guys to find those and bring those to our lesson today because you guys can use those to help you later with your counting. So I want to show you how to use your 10 frame. The first thing you need to know is that when you start counting on your 10 frame, you have to start right here in the first box at the top on the left. That's where your sticker is on your chart. So when you put that there, you say 1, and then we're going to show 2, and we put another one, we show 3, and then 4, and then 5. At the top of our 10 frame, it's just like our 5 fingers. There's 5 at the top, and then we're going to keep counting. So we said 5. After 5 comes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want you to notice I put a circle in every box. I didn't skip any. You have to go from the top, from the left, all the way to the right, and then from the left, all the way to the right. So what I want you guys to do is have your parent help you. I want your parent to say, I want you to show me, let's say number 7. So you're going to take your counters and you're going to put them on your 10 frame so that you are showing number 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your parent is going to say a number. So you can take all of these off, and yours are squares. Mine are circles, yours are squares. And your parent is going to say, let me see if you can show me number 4. So you will put your squares on your 10 frame and you will show 4. And then you have to go back and count them to be sure you got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So take some time today and practice on your 10 frames. All right, I'm going to move my picture over, and this says, how many SpongeBobs are there? Match the correct number with the right picture. So first, let's count. 1, 2. Do you guys see the number 2 here at the bottom? Yes, here it is. So we're going to put that right in the box. So there are 2 SpongeBobs. Let's count these Batman logos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 of them. So I'm going to use my pen tool and I'm going to write the number 10. 10 is a 1 and a 0. Awesome. Let's see what we're counting next. Oh, we have Buzz Lightyear, Ninja Turtles, and a princess. How many Buzz Lightyears do you see? If you said 1, you're right. So we're going to drag our number 1 over here next to Buzz. Now we need to count our Ninja Turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you guys see a 4? Do you guys see it? There it is. 4 Ninja Turtles. And then we're going to count our princesses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 princesses. Awesome. Now we're going to count the fish. I think this might be Elmo. Is that his name? Elmo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, this fish named Dora, right? Is it Dora? Oh, maybe when we get back to our class, you guys can tell me what this fish's name is. I think it's Nemo. Yeah, is it Nemo? It is Nemo. All right, let's write number 7. There we go, number 7. All right, let's count Captain America. 1, 2, oh, let me get my pointer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 Captain Americas. So we're going to write the number 6. Great job, guys. All right, now this says drag 8 pictures in the 10 frame. So there's Dora. We're going to start on our 10 frame and we're going to start on that sticker, the left side. We're going to say 1 and we're going to keep going across. 2, 3, 4, 5. We got to keep going. 6, 7, 8. Awesome job. Now we're going to write that number 8. We write an 8 with a circle on top of a circle. Number 8. All right, let's take a look at the next one. This one says, drag 8 pictures onto the 10 frame. So let's see what we're dragging over here. Oh, it's donkey. Look, there's 1, 2, 3. Now remember, we need 8. 4, 5. So we know 5 fit on the top of the 10 frame. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have that number 8 again. Remember, 8 is a circle on top of another circle. Number 8. Awesome job, guys. Thanks for paying attention. All right, look, this is a game that we're going to play. And we're going to count the clowns, and then we're going to see which one is the correct number. And if we get it right, you're going to see a smiling face pop up on the screen. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one of these numbers is number 6? Do you guys see it? Here it is. Did you guys see the happy face? Let's count the snails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, do you guys remember the 8? It's a circle on top of a circle. Yes, it's right there. Yes, we got a happy face. Let's count our eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you guys see the number 4? There it is. Oh, yes, happy face. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you guys see 4? Yes, 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, 5. Oh, my favorite ice cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you guys see the number 7? Is this 7? Is this 7? Oh, there it is. Thank you. All right, let's count the robots. 1, 2. Let's count the lions. 1, 2, 3. Do you guys see the number 3? Yes. Let's count the violins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you guys see number 9? There it is. Great job. How many do you see? 1. How many do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Let's count the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one of these numbers is 5? Can you guys point to it? Yes, thank you. Let's count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's find the number 7. Yes, right there's number 7. Oh, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you guys see the number 10? Now 10 is the one that has a 1 and a 0. Awesome. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count. Let's see, which one of these is an 8? An 8 is a circle on top of a circle. Oh, there it is. Great. Let's count the octopus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you guys see number 5? Yes. Let's count these dogs. 1, 2. Perfect. All right, let's do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6. Awesome job, guys. Now today, on your Canvas page, there is a game called Sort Numbers and Letters. You guys are going to pick the numbers out of a group that has numbers and letters in it. I want you to practice counting to 10. I want you to make number flashcards if you don't know your numbers 1 to 10. So if somebody holds up a number like number 4 and you can say, oh, that's 4, you don't need to make flashcards. But if you're not sure what a number 4 is, you guys need to write those numbers, have your parent write the numbers down for you, and then just kind of show those to you throughout the day. You can use paper, index cards, post-it notes, just whatever you have that you can write on. And then I want you to use that 10 frame that's in your bag with your little squares, and I want you practicing numbers from 1 to 10. So just practice showing number 3, then practice showing number 8, practice showing number 7. Just spend some time working on your 10 frame today. All right, you guys have a wonderful day and enjoy the rest of your day.